welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Faith and here is Cookie's Kitchen, a channel where we make various African delicacies on a budget-friendly account. On today's episode, we are at Cookie's.Also, where it's all about pastry and baking. And guys, on today's recipe, I'll be sharing with you a homemade vanilla and strawberry cake. I have this cake order, which is a 2 kg cake, and I thought, why not share with you guys? So right away, let's get started.
First step, we are going to cream our sugar and margarine until light and puffy. So for this step, you mix in your sugar and your margarine. I love to use a mwiko to make this step easier. Then go in with my hand mixer. Don't worry, if you don't have a hand mixer, you can use a whisk for this step. The goal is to just make sure that you attain a creamy, light and puffy mixture. As you can see, I attained mine. I actually whisked for 30 minutes, guys. Yeah, so that's what you should have. The next step, guys, we are going to add in our vanilla essence. Remember, I am baking a vanilla and strawberry cake. So those are 2 bottle tops. You can use a tablespoon for that. So you first actually measure all the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. So you're going to add in your eggs as you mix, one by one, step at a time as you mix them. Nice. As you can see, the mixture looks lovely. The next step, we are going to add in our milk and make sure you also give it a nice mix. Next step, we're going to add in baking powder to our flour. Guys, don't forget to sieve your flour. This is very important, guys. So make sure you sieve your flour nicely. Then definitely I am going to mix it all in with a spatula because you don't want to go in with your mixer. Yeah, the flour will be all over the place. Yeah, so give it a nice mix. Then I'm going to separate this butter. That's my vanilla one. Guys, I have to measure and I was so excited because it was 1.3. Then to this other butter, I added my strawberry flavor. Then I'm also gonna mix it nicely. I'm telling you, home baking is really nice. Guys, at this point, my oven was preheating for 160 degrees for 10 minutes, guys. Then I'm definitely gonna bake at 160 degrees again for 50 minutes, guys. And it's good to always check on your cake because when it's not done, you can just adjust the timings because, guys, different ovens, different settings. I would tell you that. Yeah, so add into your nicely greased tin and bake your cake. Definitely also had to measure this and I was happy. It was also 1.3. You see, the quality of home bakers, you can't compare that with supermarket cakes. Never. Then tap it like that to remove the excess air and bake. Oh, voila! Look at that. Look what we got. Interesting, guys. I love how they have cooked nicely. Always use a toothpick or fork or knife to check when your cake is nicely done. When it comes out clean, your cake is ready. Your cake is ready, guys. Then you guys see what I made. Wait for it. Look at that. I was shaping it. Look at that. There we go. And that's it for today's video. Tell me how I did the narration and if I should do more videos narrating, guys. This is my pot cake. I love it so much. Thank you for watching. Love you. Subscribe.